Welcome back, my dear student. Today, let us learn about science. Today, our chapter is on photosynthesis and respiration of plants. So, let us learn new things. Question comes in mind: what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a process by which plants turn energy from the sun into glucose or carbohydrates. Here we can see different activities taking place during photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs light from sun and carbon dioxide from atmosphere and prepare food for the plant, and oxygen is released in the atmosphere. Or we can say that first light energy strikes the leaf, passes into the leaf and hits a chloroplast inside an individual cell. And the chlorophyll inside the chloroplast captures the light energy . After which some of the energy is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Water can be given by the formula H2O. Here the oxygen which is produced is now a waste product and released back into the air which we breathe in. The carbon dioxide is obtained from the atmosphere, which enter through the stomata and passes into the chloroplast. Carbon dioxide can be given by the formula CO2. Stomatas are the minute holes which are present below the leaf. Using the light energy from the sun and hydrogen left from the water molecule combines with the carbon dioxide CO2 to make glucose, which is given by the formula C6H12O6, and the reaction is given below here. 6CO2 which is carbon dioxide and 6H2O which is water in presence of light gives 6 C6H12O6 along with some oxygen which is 6O2. Glucose is also called sugar because the plant converts the glucose to sucrose, a simple sugar that is carried in the phloem to other plant parts. Here, phloem is a plant tissue that conducts synthesized food substance, example from leaves, to different parts where needed, consists primarily as sieve tubes. Now here we can say that every plant needs sugar or it will die. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more new videos. Thank you. Well, now let us learn about cellular respiration in a plant or in whole plant generation or in whole plant family. We can say that cellular respiration in a plant is a process in which energy is generated in cell. In respiration, glucose, a type of sugar, and oxygen are converted into carbon dioxide, water, and ATP, where ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Now let us compare photosynthesis and respiration taking place in a plant. So we can say that photosynthesis is a process by which plant use light from the sun to make food. After photosynthesis happens, then the cells in the plant use cellular respiration to turn this food into energy that the plant can actually use it for further growth. So photosynthesis happens before respiration can do in a plant. Both photosynthesis and respiration involve a type of organelle inside the cells, but photosynthesis takes place inside the chloroplast, which contain the chlorophyll. But cellular respiration takes place inside the mitochondria, which are the organelles that are able to break down glucose, or it can be said the powerhouse of the cell. In photosynthesis, the energy that is used comes from the sunlight, which is converted into glucose. That can be seen from the diagram given here. Whereas in cellular respiration, glucose is used to create ATP, which is energy which the plant needs to survive. Glucose, in presence of oxygen, is converted to carbon dioxide and water along with some energy. Here, photosynthesis takes carbon dioxide from the air, water and sunlight to create sugar. After this happens, oxygen is released back into the air or in the atmosphere that we breathe in. Whereas the cellular respiration takes the sugars and combine them with oxygen to release the energy as ATP, carbon dioxide and water which are released. Now let us learn about transpiration in a plant. So question comes in mind, what is transpiration? Here we can say that transpiration is the process taking place inside a plant or in a leaf, that is the excess loss of water, or the excess amount of water is lost in the form of vapor through the stomata of the leaf. Visual can be seen from the diagram given to the left. Now I have a homework for all my children. Test to see how much a plant transpires. For that, tie a bag over the stem and leaves of a plant. Wait for 24 hours. Now you can see what happened. That can be seen here in this diagram. You also do the same to learn about transpiration in a plant. So thank you, friends, students. Please subscribe. Let us come with a new video next time. Thank you.